Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel and also remember to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and also remember to give me any comment or question if you have anything to ask me in the comment section. Okay, today I'm wearing this MSGM tee and also this Kenzo track pants. Yeah, and remember in my last previous video, I shared with you guys that because this is my birthday month and I did cook a couple of items in this month. So this is the second Goyard item which I got after I did my unboxing in my previous video. If you yet to watch my unboxing of my previous Goyard video, remember to go back to my channel and watch the last unboxing video. Today I got this very special piece I got from Goyard after I got the first piece, which after I saw the clutch, I start to look at this bag also, and also because I quite like mini bag at this point of time, and also it's quite trendy to use mini bag, as you can see in a lot of IG also. So, and coincidentally I saw this bag at the same time and it catches my attention. After I bought my clutch, I went back to the Goyard boutique to get again this item. As I mentioned earlier before, if you didn't watch my previous video, Goyard has been around for quite a long time. It's also even longer than Louis Vuitton 1 year earlier. So this brand has been quite long, and also it's very low profile brand, and not a lot of people know it, but now I believe a lot of people realize and notice about this brand. So yes, and also this special piece, I got it to get after I got the last piece. So today I shall do the unboxing. As you can see, this Goyard is a new bag. Yeah, so this design, this bag is a new, after I think they changed this bag around 1 year ago. So now it's in green color with the silver embossed Goyard, and also the Paris boutique address, and also with the handle is in yellow, and there's also a ribbon tie beside at the handle for presentation. And you know I'm a sucker for packaging, and this really catch my attention, and I also like it very much. Yeah, okay, but because I noticed that Goyard is not in all the country, so if let's say if you happen that Goyard is in your country, so you can go and check it out, or else you can check out their website to see which location do they have it. But coincidentally my country do have Goyard boutique, so I'm able to get without much difficulty. But I do heard some YouTubers say if your country do not have Goyard, you are able to order online, and they will be able to send it to you, but you only can order online if your country do not have the Goyard boutique. Yeah, this is what the info I got. Okay, without further ado, let's start with today's unboxing. Okay, this, are you guys excited? As you can see that this is quite small, but it's a bag. It's a tiny bag. It's a mini bag, mini sling bag. It's called plumet. Okay, so, and you can see the packaging is very nice. it comes with the paper in this yellow with the sticker on it. Yeah, okay. Are you guys excited? So you can see the dust bag also quite small for this bag, and it also doesn't come with a box. Yeah, from what I know, not all the item Goyard do give box for their item, only selected item. So this bag do not have a box. It just comes with a dust bag itself in yellow, and also the Goyard in dark brown printed on it. Yeah, and the drawstring is also dark brown. Okay, so let's share with you guys what did I got. Ta-da! Can y'all see this one is a bag? Yeah, but to me, okay, this color I got it is in black in color. Yeah. This is black color. As I mentioned in my previous video, my clutch is in green. That one is a special color, but for this black is considered their basic color. So you have this one is in full black. So there is some that the other one will be, the basic one will be black with the yellow tan lining. Yeah, the leather is in tan color. So this is the full black one. Yeah, so you guys imagine this design is called plumet, P-L-U-M-E-T, plumet bag. Yeah, and I think I saw from the other video before that the apps designer also using this bag itself also. Yeah, so I also quite attracted to this design. So if without the sling, you guys can see it now. You can also use as a clutch holder, but it's a very tiny clutch which you can't really put a lot. I would say maybe you can able to put your mobile phone. Definitely your phone is able to fit in, and also tissue paper, and also a cup holder. A long wallet couldn't, but then if a small wallet, you may able to squeeze it in because it's quite soft. So this one you can use as a clutch also by itself. Okay, so let me show you how does it look like. Okay, so as this also, it come together. This is a thank you card for Goyard because they do not have authenticity card. So this is the thank you card, so-called that thank you your purchase with Goyard, etc. So yeah, and inside there's also another dust bag, which is the strap. Yeah, so the strap is also in black in color. So this is the strap. Yep. Okay, so this is how it come about, and inside there is, later I'll show you nearer. Okay, so inside there is a behind pocket. There's one also a leather card holder which you can put card. Then the center portion is with zip. Yeah, with zip. So maybe the center portion you can place some coins. You can use to put coin inside in the zip portion, and also the front portion is also, there's also a portion where you can put your card. Yeah, so basically it's only 3 portion inside. Yeah, so later I show you nearer. Then the closure is just a button clip, and behind there is also one side pocket. Yeah, behind there's one pocket. So your mobile phone you can put at the back, so it's quite easy. And if you sling it, it's much closer to your body. So let me put on the strap first to show you how it come about. So because this one, there's actually 2 ways in wearing this, but depend on how you want it to be. You can from what I know, you can just, because the SA Direct tell me there's 2 ways. So let me show you the first way first. Okay. Let me put this first, then I shall. Actually, it's quite simple. You just have to put it in at the side. Yep. Okay, done. Okay. So this is how the sling bag, right? It's quite cool, and you can just sling it this way. Yeah. So if let's say and this is now small bag is quite in, and you can even tie a knot here. Then you can also wear as a net bag, which is also quite cool. So you just take your portion here in front. Yep. So this is how you can sling the bag. Yeah, it's quite easy to match because I got the black because I want to match it with other outfit quite easily. So this is how it come about. So if I'm not wrong, if let's say you don't want it to be longer, you can even do it, you can twist around here. So you can you just twist around it at the pocket there. Then you can also use it a net bag in this manner. So it's quite cool also. If you do not want, you just open the sling so it become longer here. So you can just use as a crossbody sling bag, or even shorter you can at the side. Yeah. So it's quite cool, this design. So maybe I shall show you all nearer how does it look like. This is the tag of the Goyard tag. Every Goyard bag will come with, and here is written, oh, I can't, it's just written in front, so this is just the tag only. So it's just like every bag they will come with this tag because there's no authenticity card. Okay, so I shall show you all nearer. Okay, this is the front part. Yeah, it comes with the button, and also let me show you the inside. Inside, as I mentioned, there is a portion here at the front. So there is a card holder here, which you can place your card. Then followed by the second portion will be this one is in zip. Okay. So the second portion you can put coins. Yeah, so there's a zip here, so the coins won't drop out. Yeah. So this piece is all in canvas, except the sling is in leather, and also the side, all this, the edge, all these are in calf leather. And also the back, you can see. So the back portion also another card holder which is in leather. Yep. So this is in leather. Yeah, and when you close it, the back, there is, as I mentioned, there is also another pocket, but without any closure or zip. So total there is 4 portions in this pocket. And this is how the sling look like. This is the part where you secure with your on your back, the sling. Yeah. So and let me show you what else. What do you, okay, so the button is in metal. Yeah, it's a come with a button. Yep. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed today unboxing video of my this Goyard sling bag which I got for my birthday. Yeah, thank you very much for watching my channel, and remember to click the subscribe button, and also give me a like if you like my video, so give me more motivation to share with you more video. And as I mentioned, I still got I still got a bucket list, a few items which I wanted to get on my birthday. So remember to follow my channel, and so that you will get more update again. So thank you for watching, and see you guys again. Thank you. Bye bye.